What's up guys, John V here, and for today's video it's going to be a part of my Christmas Vlogmas. And for today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can make some candy cane grams that you can give your friends, family, co-workers. And for this video, I just want to let you guys know that I am a part of one of the Navy Association. It's called CSAD, and CSAD stands for the Coalition of Sailors Against Destructive Decision. And I'm a part of this committee for this whole year. And for this Christmas, I actually wanted to do something to kind of like boost the morale in the clinic, to actually feel that it's Christmas and to actually have that Christmas spirit. So what I did is actually made a fundraising. It's called the Glenn Cocoo gram, and I actually already did 2 other fundraisings already, and both of them are candy grams. I did one for Halloween and also did one for Thanksgiving, and I just didn't really want to put candy cane gram. So what I did is I made a Glenn Cocoo gram. So for this one, if you are familiar with the movie Mean Girls, you already know who Glenn Cocoo is. Glenn Cocoo, if you are not familiar with it, Glenn Cocoo is pretty much a fictional character in the movie Mean Girls. And so on the movie itself, they actually had a scene there where Damien, who is dressed up as a Santa Claus, he walked around on each and every classrooms and he gave candy canes to some of the students that actually got candy canes. So I wanted to do that one, and what I did is like I posted a flyer that says like Glenn Cocoo candy gram, and I asked people to actually give $1 for each candy grams. And I only bought like a couple like candy canes, so I wasn't really expecting that there's gonna be a lot of people that's gonna be a part of it and actually gonna participate and actually gonna give, actually gonna buy candy canes for other people. So I just posted it like a couple of days ago, like Monday or Tuesday. I posted it Tuesday, and as of right now it's only Thursday, and I actually already have like 84 pieces of candy cane grams like per order. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can make some candy cane grams, and how you can actually put a little bit of style in it, and also how you can make something out of it. So for this project, of course, what you're gonna need, since we're doing candy cane grams, we're gonna need a lot of candy canes. We're gonna use some yarn. If you can just buy these like for $1 for like 3 rolls. I bought this one for like $1, and there's like 3 rolls in this one already. So yeah, we're gonna need some yarn or twine, if you may. And also I'm just gonna pull these like nice lace kind of like ribbon. So we're gonna use that one as well. And then also for tags, what I did is I kind of made something like these, if it can focus, like that. So this is gonna be like pretty much like a tag. So what you're gonna do is I printed a lot of these. I printed a lot of tags right here. And yeah, and also of course, you're gonna need a glue gun right there, if it can focus. And let's get started. First of all, of course, take your yarn. What you're gonna do is you're gonna cut a lot of like probably like 10 inches long of yarn, because you are going to do some bows. I actually made a lot of like pre-made bows already. Right there, I made it myself, and I actually went online, went to YouTube actually, and actually went and watched some videos of like people that actually are trying and are giving tutorials on how to make the perfect bow. So what I did is actually I cut a lot of twines or the strings right here, and they're probably like a good like 10 to 12 inches long. So what I actually learned from this is you're gonna take 2 of your fingers, and then you're gonna put the yarn in between like that. And then what you're gonna do is so the end of the yarn, you hold it with your thumb and your middle finger, and then you roll it on your pointy finger, I don't know, oh my god. Then after that, so hold it right there, and then point on your pointy finger, wrap it around your middle finger, and then you wrap it over your pointing finger. So if you can see right there, it's like alternating. So again, so you're holding it like that, alternate over, alternate under, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the very end of the string in between your fingers right there, and then take it from the back all the way to your pointing finger right there, and then you grab the twine and then pretty much like make a knot at the middle. I am not really good at tutorials and stuff like that, but I will put a link on the video. So this is what I made. I'm gonna put a link on the video on where I actually learned all of this like making twine kind of thing. So that is a pretty nice twine right there. So I actually made a lot already. As you can see, I have made a lot a while ago. I was just like watching Bretman rock a while ago, and I was like, might as well start making a lot of twines, ribbons. So yeah, I actually made a lot of ribbons already, if it will focus. So yeah, I made a lot of those already. And then once you actually make a bunch of them, put them on the side, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your candy canes. So what you're gonna do with your candy canes is you're gonna get a candy cane and then one of the pre-made twines, pre-made ribbon twines, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna glue gun this twine right here at the middle, so it's gonna kind of look like that. So I'm just gonna do that really quick. So I put a little bit of glue right there, and then I'm just gonna put this ribbon at the center, like so. Right there. And then after that, what I am going to do is I'm gonna get a super tiny twine like this right here, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect this one somewhere behind the ribbon, maybe somewhere right here, and then I am gonna attach one of the tags that I printed out. So I'm gonna attach this tiny twine. This is like probably like an inch long twine, and then I'm gonna put this one at the back right here, and then I'm gonna connect it to right here. A little bit of glue at the back of the tag, and then I connected the 1-inch twine at the back, and it's gonna look like that. It's gonna look like that, and then after that you're gonna connect it to your candy cane like that. So I put a glue behind the ribbon, so I'm just literally gonna connect the twine right there, and then let it dry for a couple of seconds, and voila, there you have it. And then I actually made a lot more. So I actually made other ones. This one is actually with a really nice ribbon, the satin kind of ribbon that I did, and I also cut out some of the like a brown paper, and then what I did is like I put like a little miniature card right here, so they can actually put something inside, like a dedication or a personal message. This is the one that I love the most. This one is cute right here. And then also same thing, I put a little bit of card right here, and it's a little bit bigger than the other ones, so they can put their personal message right here. And yeah,